So you've been having an amazing summer and have some amazing stories saved in your Instagram. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use those stories and to create a reel out of your stories. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Wonderful Lida, a digital course video producer based in Vancouver, Canada. I teach video production to service providers so that they can film once to teach many. If you have a course idea and want to learn how to film yourself, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have new videos out every Wednesday. To get started, you're going to have to access your archived stories. To do so, go to your profile, click on the hamburger icon, and archive. Within archive, you're going to be able to see your latest stories. You're also going to be able to search for your stories based on a calendar. So as the calendar loads, you can see all your past stories. You can easily jump to where you want to share your stories from, or you can also look at your stories based on location. So this is when you activate tagging on your locations, then it will come up in here. So let's go to my stories and let's start by looking for some fun stories. This was a really great day, so let's save the story. To save, click on the story, go to more, and then save video. So continue going through your stories and saving the ones that you want to use. There, I like that, save video. And then just keep going back and saving your stories. So once you have all your stories saved that you want to use for your reel, it's time to start creating a reel. So go to plus, go into your reel, and then to add the stories into the reel, all you gotta do is swipe up and you can see your last saved footage in there. So pick the story. You can trim how much of the story you want to appear. You can scale it by zooming in or out. And then you can add the different sections. So once you have all your clips, you can see your video with your stories. It is going to use your original audio from your stories. So what you can do is you can add music, and then you can reduce the camera audio so that you can just hear the music. So there you have it. Now you know how to build a reel out of your stories. So when you have a great adventure and you want to relive it with a reel, go back, save the stories that you like most, and create your reel. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have new videos to help service providers with digital course video production each and every Wednesday. Until next time, peace!